Forget your smartphone. AI smart glasses are no longer just a sci-fi dream. They're a reality, and the latest models are so wild they're starting to seriously challenge your phone's dominance. We've moved way beyond clunky cameras and basic notifications, and connect you to an AI that knows what you're looking at. It's like a minimalist video game HUD for your life, floating right in front of you so you never have to take your eyes off the road. You know that feeling when your earbuds get uncomfortable after a few hours? Or when over-ear headphones completely cut you off from the world? This means you can jam out to your playlist or catch up on a podcast while still hearing traffic, announcements, or someone calling your name. A huge plus for safety. Managing your smart lights or asking for a quick weather update usually means fumbling with an app. Amazon decided to fix that. With over 10 hours of playback and swappable frames, they nailed the blend of tech and fashion. They tackle a huge communication barrier, understanding people in loud places or in foreign languages. Its killer feature is real-time captioning and translation. Imagine being in a noisy bar or talking to someone who speaks another language. It can also give you walking directions and notifications. But the truly insane part is the battery life, up to 48 hours on a single charge. It's also open to developers, so new custom apps are always popping up. These ridiculously light glasses, weighing under 40 grams, use a tiny prism to project info from a micro-LED display right onto your retina. It's not a full screen, just a simple, text-based overlay. But here's where it gets crazy. It's powered by multimodal AI. You can look at a landmark, ask, "What is that?" What if it could understand your situation and offer help before you even asked? That's the next frontier, and Halliday is blazing the trail. And what a monitor it is? Using cutting-edge Sony micro-LED displays, they create what feels like a giant 130-inch screen right in front of your eyes in crisp 1080p at just 28.5 grams. They look like stylish, retro frames but hide a secret weapon, an invisible display that gives you subtle, real-time insights. For example, it can feed you talking points during a meeting or act as a teleprompter for a speech, and no one else will ever know. The most insane part, the controls. Besides touch controls on the side, Halliday comes with a trackpad ring. That's always been the holy grail. Unlike almost every other device on this list, the X2 is a standalone AR powerhouse. It's running a powerful Snapdragon XR2 chipset, the same kind of processor found in high-end VR headsets. It features bright, full-color micro-LED displays for both eyes that let you see navigation, notifications, and translations overlaid on the world. Imagine following walking directions with arrows that actually appear on the street, or seeing a translated conversation float right next to the person speaking. While it's bulkier than the Ray-Ban Meta and faces stiff competition from upcoming devices like Viture S-Beast AR Specs and X-Real S, Project Aura, the RayNeo X2 is a monumental leap. It's not just an accessory to your phone. It's a glimpse of its replacement. Halliday isn't just about having an AI in your glasses. It's about having an AI that thinks one step ahead. Are you all in on the true AR of the TCL RayNeo X2, or is the style and simplicity of the Ray-Ban Meta more your speed? Let me know your top pick in the comments below. I read every single one. And as always, you can find links to all the products we talked about in the description. The revolution is here, and it's more stylish, integrated, and intelligent than we ever imagined. The future is looking bright, and it's looking right through a pair of smart lenses. The Pro model even has electrochromic dimming, letting you turn the lenses from completely see-through to nearly blacked out with a button press. The new Ultra model goes even further, adding 3D sensors for positional tracking, turning it into a true spatial computing device. Let's be honest, no one wants to look like they have a computer strapped to their face. This is the problem Meta and Ray-Ban solved, and they've pretty much perfected it. This is the closest we've gotten to a private IMAX theater that fits in your pocket. And its working Meta now dominates with over 60% of the market and has sold over 2 million units. Available in iconic styles like the Wayfarer, they look and feel like classic Ray-Ban, but packed into that timeless design is Meta's powerful AI. You can look at a plant and ask, "Hey Meta, what is this?" And it will tell you. You can get real-time translations, snap high-quality photos with the 12MP camera, or even live stream directly to Instagram and Facebook with just your voice. The latest updates have supercharged the AI, making it more conversational and aware of what you're doing. They are the ultimate fusion of fashion and function, and with a starting price of just $299, they are the single most important device pushing AI wearables into the mainstream. And Frame uses its camera to see what you see, identify it, and display the answer right in your vision. What makes Frame so exciting is that it's completely open. Brilliant Labs is building a community of developers to dream up new uses for it. It's not trying to replace your phone. It's trying to create a new, less intrusive way to tap into AI. The simple display and lack of a camera are deliberate choices focused on privacy and incredible efficiency. They are a perfect example of how the best wearables start with all-day comfort and one killer feature. If you're geeking out over this stuff as much as I am, do me a solid and tap that like button. The problem with AI like ChatGPT is you have to go find it on your phone or computer. It really helps the channel and shows me you want more deep dives like this. Now, back to the list. Using SoloChat, you can have a natural conversation with an AI that can help you write emails, brainstorm ideas, or just learn something new on the fly. But their most impressive feature is live translation. With Translate, you can understand and speak multiple languages, making them an incredible tool for travelers. The design is also genius. It's modular. You can snap the smart hardware onto different frames, whether you need sunglasses, prescription lenses, or blue light blockers. They might not have a screen, but their focus on powerful AI-driven audio makes them one of the smartest pairs of glasses you can buy. While they don't have a camera or a chatty AI, the Engo 2 is the perfect example of purpose-built smart glasses that solve a real problem. They aren't for everyone, but for athletes, they're a total game changer. The future is now, and it's perched on the bridge of your nose. Of all the glasses on this list, these look the most normal, and that's their secret weapon. They've slimmed down the design and partnered with brands like Carrera, making them impossible to tell apart from regular glasses. But inside, it's all about voice. You can ask Alexa to control your home, play music, or make a call, all completely hands-free. This new model even has better audio and can pair with multiple devices at once, so you can switch from your laptop to your phone without missing a beat. While they don't have a camera or a screen, their strength is their simplicity, making them the perfect entry-level smart glasses for anyone already in the Alexa ecosystem. AI-powered glasses are blurring the line between our physical and digital worlds, and the entire tech industry is taking notice. With giants like Apple and Google jumping in with their own platforms, the race is on. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 most mind-blowing, most insane models of 2025 that are leading the charge. You are not ready for what's coming. Let's get into it. We're always covering the gadgets that are about to change everything. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. 1. The list begins. If you're a cyclist, runner, or triathlete, you know the struggle. How? Do you check your stats without breaking your stride or, crashing? The Engo 2 solves this brilliantly. These aren't about talking to an AI. They're about data intelligence. 9. Xiaomi Mijia Smart Audio Glasses. Xiaomi is famous for cramming premium features into stuff we can actually afford, and their latest smart glasses are no different. 8. Amazon Echo Frames. What if you could have your smart home assistant with you everywhere without ever pulling out your phone? 7. Vuzix. Z100 Vuzix has been a giant in the professional smart glasses world for years, making tough-as-nails tech for factory workers and surgeons. Zeiss and Solos Ergo Trace. We've seen glasses with voice assistants, but what if your glasses could plug you into the most powerful AI on the planet? 5. Brilliant Labs Frame. Most AI glasses either have no screen or just mirror your phone. But what if the display was smart, subtle, and beautiful? 4. X-Real Air 2 Ultra. The dream of having a massive, private screen you can take anywhere has always been held back by clunky headsets or blurry displays. Enter the X-Real Air 2 Ultra. These glasses are, hands down, the kings of the wearable display. They don't try to be a standalone computer. 3. Halliday AI Glasses. What if your AI assistant didn't just wait for you to ask a question? 2. Ray-Ban Meta. The biggest hurdle for smart glasses has always been style. 1. TCL RayNeo X2. For years, we've been promised true augmented reality glasses that could overlay rich, full-color digital graphics onto the real world, all on their own. The TCL RayNeo X2 is one of the first to truly deliver on that promise. Now I have to ask, which one of these would you actually wear?